Hello, YouTubers. Thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel, Save Green here. We also want to thank everyone that has subscribed and supported our channel throughout the years. So I know we haven't done a video on Mint Mobile for a while, and the reason is nothing exciting has happened. I mean, it's been great service. Personally, I can testify that I have been a user of Mint Mobile since December of 2017. And here we are in April of 2023. So almost 6 years now. And not even one time have I had to pick up the phone and call them for any reason, whether it be bad service or billing issue, whatever it may be. So lately, as you can see, actually just happened about a month ago, T-Mobile bought Mint Mobile. And if you look on that video, they also acquired Ultra Mobile. So it tells you right there, this was in March 15. They purchased Mint Mobile, and there's a video on YouTube with Ryan Reynolds, and I believe this is the CEO of T-Mobile, and they're chatting, and if you start looking at all the comments, a lot of people said, oh, this is the end of Mint Mobile, they're going to raise their rates, etc., etc. So I just stood on the sidelines, so to speak, waited, and boom, just like that. They did not raise their rates. They actually improved their service, because if you were a $15 a month customer, before you were getting 4 gigabytes a month, and now T-Mobile said, we'll just add another gigabyte to your plan. If you were on the $20 a month plan before, you were getting 10 gigabytes a month of data. Now they just added 5 gigabytes more, just like that, boom, and so forth. Now, even on the unlimited plan, before they would throttle you down at 35, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know if it was 35 or 30, and now their unlimited plan goes up to 40. Again, 40 gigabytes of 5G LTE for only $30 a month. If you can find me someone that has a better plan than that, where they do not check your credit, where they do not require you to be on a contract. Oh yeah, we'll give you this brand new phone. Yeah, but then you're on a contract and you're paying, an outrageous amount of money every month just to have phone service with a decent amount of gigabytes. Now, personally, I use this plan right here, and I've never gone over 15 gigabytes a month for only $20. If you have Wi-Fi at home and at your office or place of work, you're only going to worry about this amount of data being used anytime in between, when you're on the road, etc. So to recap what they're giving you 5G service. Wherever T-Mobile has 5G service, you're going to get it. If it's not available, you're going to get the next best thing, which is 4G LTE, wherever the strongest signal is. You also get a free mobile hotspot or tethering, meaning that if you have a 15 gigabyte a month plan and you have a laptop and you're at a park, you can use your phone as the internet for your laptop. Can't beat that. I know a lot of other providers do not, and I repeat, they do not let you use hotspot. You're also going to get Wi-Fi calling and texting, unlimited talk and text. So unlimited amount of minutes. You can chat all you want on the phone. You can text all you want. It's unlimited. There's no cap on that. And you also get to call Mexico and Canada for free. But if you want to call other countries, you have over 160 countries worldwide with super low international rates compared to other carriers or providers. You want instant plan activation, they do that for you. If you have an eSIM like the new iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, all the new phones now are going to start coming out with eSIM, not just the Apple iPhone. You might be asking, well, I'm elderly and I love consumer cellular. Boom. Here we are. Mint Mobile's fighting consumer cellular also. They're giving you their $15 a month plan, which gives you 5 gigabytes of data. And here it is right there, unlimited talk and text, free international calls, free mobile hotspot, free Wi-Fi calling, 5G for free. And one thing that they're doing is they're giving you, like, they're going to hold your hand, so to speak, which they usually charge $15 for. And this is exclusive to Mint 55 and up customers. So if you're 55 and older and you're not very tech savvy, they will provide the free Mint Tech Advisors service, which is like a full service concierge service. They'll hold your hand, so to speak. They'll walk you through it, full service activation. They'll transfer your existing phone number, and they'll cancel and transfer your service to Mint with your current provider. They're going to do all that. So you don't have to even stress out about it. Why is it better than consumer cellular? Because, like it says here, you're going to get more for less. They will give you 50%, 55. If you're 55 and up, it costs 50% less than consumer cellular plan, and that's their 3G plan. But you're getting 5 gigabytes over their 3 GB plan or the 3 gigabyte plan. So you're going to get 30% more data, and you're going to pay 50% less. Can it get better than that? $15 a month, folks. Again, I'm repeating it. $15 a month for 5 gigabytes of data. Not even consumer cellular can do better than that. And if you're like, well, I don't want to go through the hassle of transferring, well, they're offering that for free, folks. They're giving it to you. They're telling you, let us handle it. Don't stress out about it. Let us handle this, and you can start paying $15 a month for 5 gigabytes of data, unlimited calls, unlimited texts, and you can call Canada and you can call Mexico 100% free. You're not going to pay for the long distance. So if you haven't gotten on board with Mint Mobile, or if you were like, I don't know what's going to happen now that T-Mobile bought them off, now's the time to do it. Get on board. Check them out. We've been on them, like I said, since December of 2017. Have not had one single hiccup in all this time. So if you haven't done so, click on the link in the description. It will give you a discount to the Mint Mobile plan. Do it now. I don't know how long this will be. I mean, from what I've checked with them, they will continue to honor the discounts with the link that we will provide you. But it can change. It can be 3 months now and you'll get 3 months free. They'll give you like 6 months for the price of 3 months. But still, for $15 a month, you can't beat that price. Check out the link in the description. Click on it. It'll walk you through it. Super easy. Until next time, we'll see you on the next video.